Welcome back to another video, guys. In this one, I want to talk to you about the best credit cards I use to maximize my points and miles earning from everyday spend. I currently have 21 active credit cards to my name. I obviously don't use all of them, at least not regularly, and there are a bunch of cards that I keep only for the perks and benefits. Just want to say a couple of things before I go on with the video. First, I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but this month has been crazy. I hope everyone is safe and healthy and stay that way. Life is going to be different from now on, it seems like. Some industries are gonna disappear. The economy is in a very, very bad shape right now. Like at this moment, the economy is negative since 2016. All the amazing gains that were made since then are totally wiped out in the last few weeks. Just unbelievable. In terms of credit cards and points and miles, for me, everything is business as usual for now, and I'll continue making videos as usual. From now on, I'll probably focus on flexible currencies rather than airline miles. Who knows which airlines will continue to exist after this is done. I already have hundreds of thousands of miles with airlines like American Airlines, Delta, JetBlue, and British Airways. Hopefully not much changes after this, but we'll just have to wait and see. I still have flights booked to Portugal and Italy for next month that I'll obviously cancel, but I'm not in a rush since there's still some time and the call centers are just extremely busy, and people with sooner plans should have priority to call. Anyway, I hope we don't see total chaos more than we already have, and wish all of you health and good luck. Now, on with the video as normal. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rami, and since 2016, I earned more than 6 million points and miles, mostly from credit cards, and I redeemed 3.1 million of them for travel that's worth more than $180,000. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and check out all the valuable links I have for you in the description. There's a special link I put there that I'll talk about at the end of this video. So a card that I've been using very heavily lately is the Citi Prestige credit card. It became a top of wallet card for me since it started earning 5x on dining. That's an impressive rate of return on a large spend category. The points really add up quickly, and if there's a chance for me to pay for some people and they Venmo me, it's great. Not long ago, I went out with some friends to a steakhouse and we were splitting the bill, and it came to $150 per person. 3 people Venmo'd me, so I put $600 on my card, which earned me 3,000 thank you points. That's a very nice return on one meal. At a value of 1.7 cents per point, that's like getting back $51. Another reason I love the Citi Prestige is the $250 travel credit, which is as good as cash for me since the credit works on many things like airfare, hotels, cruises, taxis, and many other travel purchases. So it helps to offset the $495 annual fee. Another amazing benefit of the Citi Prestige is the 4th night free benefit, which is good for 2 stays per calendar year that are 4 nights or longer. So whenever I stay at a non-points hotel for 4 nights or longer, which is rare, I use that benefit. I also like that I can offset some of the value using thank you points. It's not the best bang for your points because you get 1 cent per point value, but if I don't have a need for thank you points in the near future and I have a good stash of them, I like to use them that way. The next card is my absolute favorite personal credit card for everyday spend, and that is the Citi Double Cash card. This is an amazing card and a must-have, especially if you're pairing it with the Citi Prestige or the Citi Premier cards. It has no annual fee and earns unlimited 2% cashback on anything and everything. But what makes this card truly impressive is the fact that you can convert your cash back to thank you points, which I can then transfer to airline partners or whatever. Also, since it's a MasterCard, you can easily use it on plastic on any type of payment like mortgage, rent, student loans, or car payments. So if you have a decent amount of monthly payments, the points can add up very, very quickly, and the way you use your points can easily offset the 2.5% fee that plastic charges. Another card that has no annual fee but earns me a lot of points is the Blue Business Plus card from Amex. This card earns 2 membership rewards points per dollar spent on anything and everything for the first $50,000 spent every calendar year. I don't come anywhere near that threshold, so this is my go-to card for anything I buy that's business related that's not covered under a bonus category on other cards. I value Amex points at 2 cents per point because I usually use them for very high value redemptions with partner airlines, which means I'm getting a minimum of 4% return on all everyday business spend. That's incredible. Now, the next card I use a lot is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. This is a great companion card to the Chase Sapphire Reserve, or the Sapphire Preferred, or the Chase Ink Business Preferred, and it has no annual fee. The Freedom Unlimited gives me 1.5x on everything and anything, so it's a great card to earn a ton of ultimate rewards points. Now, having this card on its own is not that great because then each point will be worth only 1 cent. But like I said, paired with one of the 3 premium ultimate rewards cards, it becomes an essential card to have and use. Now, why would I use this card when I have the Citi Double Cash card? I actually haven't been using it much since I got the Citi Double Cash card, but sometimes it's best to use the card that earns the points you need the most, or for a particular redemption. So I see myself using this card if I earn too many thank you points more than I'm redeeming, or if I have future travel plans where I see myself needing to boost my ultimate rewards points stash. Then it'll make sense to use the Chase Freedom Unlimited over the Citi Double Cash. Another Freedom card I use a lot is the regular one that earns 5x per dollar on rotating quarterly categories. For this quarter, the categories are gas stations, internet cable and TV services, and streaming services. I drive a lot, so I'm using the Freedom card now to maximize the gas station category. And just like the Freedom Unlimited, the true value of this card comes when it's paired with the Chase Sapphire Reserve or Preferred, or the Chase Ink Business Preferred, which ultimately means I'm earning 5x ultimate rewards points per dollar on gas station spend, which is amazing. The 5x bonus is capped at the first $1,500 spend in those categories per quarter. Now, one of my newer credit cards that I use now is the Amex Business Gold card. I got this card by downgrading the Amex Business Platinum, and so far I'm happy with my decision. The Amex Business Gold card earns 4x points per dollar on the first $150,000 per year on the 2 categories you spend the most on out of 7 categories. The category I use this card for is social media advertising. The other categories are airfare purchased directly from airlines, US purchases made directly from select technology providers, US purchases at gas stations, US purchases at restaurants, US purchases for shipping. The other benefit I like on this card is the 25% points back when you use points to pay for all or part of a flight on your selected airline or any business or first class flight that you book through the Amex travel website. The next card that I use a lot is the Chase Ink Business Cash. I earn 5x per dollar with this card on my phone and internet bills. On its own, this card is just a cashback card, but like the Freedom cards, when paired with the Ink Preferred or even the personal Sapphire Preferred or Reserve cards, you can easily combine your points and use them at a higher value or transfer them to airlines and hotel partners to really get outsized value of the points. This card also earns 5x at office supply stores where they sell a ton of things, and on top of all that, the card has 0 annual fee. The last card I want to sneak in here is not really mine, but it's my wife's, the Amex Gold card. We use this card for all our seamless food orders where we get a $10 monthly credit, plus we earn 4x on all dining, which Seamless counts as. We also use this card for all our supermarket purchases where we earn 4x also. Now, the 4x on the US supermarkets, it's capped at $25,000 per calendar year, which thankfully we don't come anywhere near it. Amex membership rewards points is my favorite points currency at the moment, and I love that Amex lets you easily pool your points earned from different cards automatically and use them all at the highest value based on the cards you have. Unlike Chase, where you actually have to manually combine your points. So these are the cards I use the most. Let me know in the comments what you think of these cards and which cards you find yourself using the most. Put it all in the comments. Now, before I end the video, I want to offer you something. You already probably know that I have a free award travel guide in the description, but maybe you don't know that I also have a comprehensive online course where I teach everything I know about credit cards, points, and miles, and I've actually been updating that course lately. I talk about best practice strategy for applying for travel rewards credit cards to maximize your points earning. Then I show you how to double or quadruple your points earning potential. I also explain how to use the best award travel tools available. Follow that up with a comprehensive guide on searching and booking award flights and a comprehensive guide on searching and booking free nights at hotels. Pretty much all the information you need to become an expert in this and start traveling the world for little to no money. Hopefully soon when this whole thing ends. All that and a 30-day 100% money back guarantee. Now I normally price this course at $197, then maybe give a discount of $50, bringing it down to $147. Since many of you will probably be working from home and maybe have some extra time on your hands, why not make use of that extra time and learn some new skills and tricks that will help you in the future? And because of that, I'm reducing the price of the course to the all-time low, which only happened once, which was last Black Friday. I'll give you all this information for only $70. That's it. That's pretty cheap for the amount of information in there. Link in the description, check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe because every week I'm publishing videos that help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.